Greetings everyone, it's Jeff from Detrailers. Happy New Year, it's January 1st. We got a lot of orders in December, so we're here working. This is a unit we just completed. This is our DBP Plus. Our DBP is our dual axle hot water pressure wash trailer. The Plus is the dime plate aluminum sides, dime plate aluminum floor, aluminum wheels, LED lighting package, and the dime plate aluminum storage box. So we'll start up here with that. The way we set this up, we set it so you can open it from the front. A lot of storage in here for miscellaneous items. It's weatherproof, so you can carry towels in here, chemicals, spray guns, wands, things like that. Dual locks, so it's real secure. You lock it up, don't have to worry about anybody going in there. We did this trailer in a 13-foot configuration. Normally we're a 12-foot configuration. We've got the extra foot up here. Normally the burner is right up against the box, but having the extra foot, got a good little piece of storage space right up here. 110-volt burner. You'll notice a lot of our competitors, if not all of them, do a 12-volt burner. Why do they do that? It's cheaper. They don't need to run an independent power supply like we do. They can run the burner off a battery. The downside is 12-volt burner, it just doesn't produce the kind of heat that this burner does. It's not as consistent and it's not as efficient. It's basically, you're running an alternator off the pressure washer at all times. On this rig, when you want to run cold, you just keep the generator off and the burner off. It's less parasitic drag on the pressure washer. Much better way to go. Got some drains here. We ran the drains through the side of the trailer just because of the dime plating. We do a dual tank setup. It's another thing that I don't see any of our competitors doing. Many reasons for this. If you've ever towed a trailer that's a single 400 or 500 gallon tank, come to a stop sign and it just moves the truck back and forth, back and forth. By doing the dual tank setup like this, it really cuts that down. Plus you get better weight distribution over the floor of the trailer. And let's say you wanted to add our spot-free rinse system, you'd be able to add that to this trailer and run this front tank as your spot-free tank and the back tank as your tap water tank. So multiple benefits there. Customer has a brand new GMC 2500 Duramax in white that he's going to be pulling this with. He advertises in red lettering, so that's why we did the red tanks. It'll be a neat looking rig, it'll match real well. We've been doing these LED lights for quite a while now. We just started doing these little surface mount LEDs, which I really like. We did the 3 back here. And we did one amber one up front, marker. 3,500 PSI pressure washer, Honda powered. It's got our triplex pump, cold water bypass, has our chemical injector. I ran the chemical injector through the side. You just take this, put it into the chemical you need, and then you can retract it when you're done, you don't need it. Stainless steel high pressure hose reel, 100 feet of high pressure hose. Kohler powered generator. Honda threw us a little bit of a curveball and stopped making the engine that we normally use. So we started doing some research, and Kohler engines have a great reputation. This motor on this generator head puts out about 3,900 watts. What's nice about this is that one of these plugs back here out of the 4 will be powering the burner, but the burner doesn't take much wattage at all. So you have lots of extra leftover electrical power for other things you might need, like vacuums, lights, things like that. It's another thing that a lot of these competitor units just don't have. They don't have a separate independent generator. They run an alternator, and they say you can plug electrical appliances into it, but the alternator, the spikes in power, goes up and down. It's really hard for anything you might have plugged into it. Got our spun aluminum 8-hole wheels. We did brakes on one axle. One axle brakes is plenty of stopping power for this. This unit's going to Natchez, Mississippi. So if you live there and you see it cruising around there, you'll know where it came from. You check us out on our website, www.detrailers.com and www.detrailers.net. We custom make everything, so if you don't see something exactly that fits your needs, call us. We can make it. Thanks. Have a great 2016.